Okay, let's get to work on this easy recipe for jerk chicken drumsticks. You'll notice here I am using drumsticks that I had seasoned and packaged up. I bought those when they were on sale, and since I recently made my jerk chicken sauce, I thought this is the time to use those drumsticks and take advantage of those savings. So I've pierced the chicken a little bit. It's going to allow it to absorb that flavor and marinade a lot better. I'll give it a good mix and then seal it up and place it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Is okay. If you could do it overnight, it would be ideal, but still flavor is going to be great. I'll be placing them in the oven, 390 degrees for about 45 minutes. Should also be seeing right up here in the corner in just a second, a link to the easy recipe for my jerk chicken sauce. Click on that and you can follow along and make this for yourself. It has great flavor and spice. You will not be disappointed, I promise you that. Do me a favor as well, smash that like button, subscribe and share to the channel. That way you can see every time I post a new great recipe. And that way we'll be able to continue cooking together. Look at that jerk chicken. This smells just absolutely fantastic. It has so much flavor and spice. It is incredible. The beauty about this jerk chicken sauce is that once it's made, it's great for so many meals. You can feed a lot of people and really have this for a couple of weeks. So we'll go ahead and we'll plate up those drumsticks. I have some sweet potato waffle fries as well. That recipe should be on my channel shortly, if not already. These are mini waffle fries, so to cook them took a little bit more time than I would have liked. Flavor is good, time consuming though. I prefer to make larger waffles to cut down on the cook time required. You'll see them here in just a second. I'm topping off those drumsticks with a little bit of that extra jerk sauce from the pan. I do not like to have any of that flavorful sauce go to waste. Cooking should always be fun, and when you're able to make things at home, you can be your own master chef. You'll be impressed at what you are able to achieve in your own kitchen. Look at that dish. This was such an easy chicken recipe, so flavorful and spicy. I cannot wait to get in there and give it a test. Let's go. It's so hot. Oh, that is so hot. Boom! If you haven't tried my easy recipe for jerk chicken yet, you're missing out. You've got to try it. It's on my YouTube channel. I've got the full recipe for my jerk chicken sauce. It's got a lot of ingredients in there. It takes a little bit of patience and a little bit of time. But once you make it, I'm up to now 4 full meals. I've cooked a couple of whole chickens. I've cooked a calzone with it, some chicken breasts, some drumsticks right here. A lot of different meals. It lasts a long time and I still have enough for one more meal. You're gonna really enjoy this. If you like spicy and flavorful food, this jerk chicken recipe is for you. I've got it with my sweet potato waffle fries. I'd say that's an easy recipe. The flavor for those sweet potato waffle fries is fantastic. A little bit time consuming to make them into small little mini waffles. I wouldn't necessarily recommend that. But as far as the jerk chicken goes, you're gonna wanna like, comment, subscribe, and share on this video, and then give it a try. You're gonna thank me for trying out this recipe. Jerk chicken sauce, easy chicken drumsticks over here. Fantastic flavor and spice. I can't say enough about it. I'm gonna get into some more of this. Until next time, happy cooking. Boom. Just too good. Wow. Try a waffle fry with some of that jerk sauce from the chicken. It's so spicy. Wow. Oh, until next time. Wow.